Hey there, viewers. So, it's a beautiful sunny afternoon, and I'm working inside. So, some of you might remember this Acura TLX. I programmed a smart key for it because it only came with one key. But they also came to me about a couple of other noise complaints and some other things. So, one of them being the sway bar link. And I got the part right here. If you want to know, that's the part number. I got it from my Honda dealership, right? But usually sometimes they come in pairs, but I don't know. This one came in just an individual one. But yeah, so there's also the headlights. They're kind of foggy. The brakes. There was also a noise in like the steering wheel when you're turning it. It sounded like the clock spring. I find it like a lot of Hondas, they kind of do that. Some of them are louder than others. Usually just replace the clock spring and it goes away. And also recently they got pulled over by the cop. Because it has front window tints. Here in BC, we're not supposed to have front window tints. So yeah, so the dealership they didn't want to do anything about it. So here I am. I'm gonna do whatever I can to help them out and get these things solved. So yeah. Anyways, I've already sprayed some penetrating fluid on there to soak in. But for all you that have replaced sway bar links before, it can be a pain in the butt sometimes, just because when you're trying to get them off, they kind of keep spinning. One way is, there's an Allen. I think I think those are 6mm Allens on these ones. To hold it in place and just back off the nut. But or you can get vice grips and then crimp them on the back and just to prevent them from spinning. But yeah, so sometimes they might have a hex on the back, so you can put a wrench on it to prevent them from spinning, but these ones don't have it. Or my favorite, if you have like a snap-on air Sawzall, if you back it up enough, back the nut off enough, and there's a little gap, you can just stick a thin blade Sawzall on the back, and you can cut it off, and it gets off really easily. So yeah, if thieves can use the Sawzall to steal your catalytic converters, you can use it to get your sway bar links out. So yeah, hope that helps. And next time you're having trouble getting your sway bar links out, there you go. But anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get these out. Hopefully not too much trouble, because I have pretty limited tools here. I took everything to work. So yeah, so basic hand tools. I got my impact gun and just a wrench and a socket. I do have Allen keys Allen sockets if I need it, and they're like right here. There's a 6mm on there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see how it goes. Probably not too bad. All right, so yeah, that wasn't too bad. It was spinning, so I just put a vice grip on the back, and the nut just came off. So yeah, now I just got to do the bottom one, and I don't know if there's enough space for me to get an impact on there, but yeah, I'll probably just do it by hand. All right, so I got the sway bar link out with the vice grips. The only thing I had to do, because I can't, get this thing in there or have a straighter shot, all I did was turn the wheel to the right. That way I have a better, straighter angle to, just gun it off. Makes life a little bit easier. Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the new sway bar link. And yeah, that should be done and get rid of that noise in the front. All right, so that sway bar link is in. I hope the methods I've mentioned in this video will help somebody out there in case you're having trouble getting those links off when they do spin. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Oh yeah, and by the way, I also did the headlights. This is what it looks like now compared to before. So yeah, if you're wondering if I did the headlights, I did the headlights.